Hi, I'm Brian Hurren from BHMA. I've been a professional musician and record producer for over 20 years, touring with the band Runrig, and we've been running the academy for 10 years. Here at BHMA we offer music workshops for kids ages 4 and up. They cover all sorts of instruments from keyboards, guitar, bass, drums, music technology. We wanted to create a place where the kids could come in and use the best equipment, the best guitars, the best amps, and have a creative opportunity as well as just learning music and how to play something, to really help them develop as musicians and just have fun and be creative and just love what they do.
I'm Angus. And I'm the guitar teacher here, the guitar tutor. There's more of a kind of community, I think, here, and especially like with the kids, they kind of bounce off of one another.
I love playing the synthesizers and the drum machines, all that kind of thing.
It's really fun, I really enjoy it, and I think you should join. I've never really played guitar before, and I like learning like new things.
I think they love the mixture of instruments. They always get excited when they come out to tell me whether they've been playing ukulele or keyboards or drums, so I think they love the variety.
My favourite would be the piano, because I've been playing it for the longest really, and I enjoy it the most. The keyboard and the drums.
They don't just do one instrument, they do drums, they do bass, they do electric, they do ukulele and keyboard. It's like the whole shabam.
I'd say you should go here and learn guitar, maybe drums or maybe piano, because it's really fun.
I think it's just a fun thing to do. It's something to fill time and you learn things along the way, so it's just really useful.
Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar.
Hey, brilliant. Well done.